Okay guys, welcome to another 10-minute mashup. Tonight's game is the absolutely stonking Apidya. Now this is on the Commodore Amiga. It's a hugely what's the word for it? Underrated game. Yeah, underrated game, that's the right phrase to use. It's an absolutely cracking shoot 'em up, but it's strangely been overlooked by a lot of people. So let's take a wee look at it. Now you can see there, I've never actually watched this bit. It's kind of manga-ish, which kind of is a bit misleading as to the actual game itself, because well, in fact, you know what, I'm just going to cut straight to the game. The game itself is a shoot 'em up, and it's quite interesting because it's kind of written like a console game. You've got the options to do sound tests and that kind of stuff, but let's just go straight. Let's put it up to 5 lives. 5 lives, let's put it to easy because it's damn difficult. Yep, let's just leave it at that. Okay, start. It's got fantastic sound and it's an absolute cracking game to boot. Turn up even more so you don't hear me hammering the fire button. Now I trust it's loading, hopefully. Bear with me, it should be there in a second. Is it working? I think it is. Ah, there we go. Right, now I'm cheating slightly because I have got auto fire on, but it's really difficult, so I don't really mind too much. But yeah, you play the part of this what looks like a bee or a wasp, I think. Ah, bollocks. Now I'm playing this on an Amiga 1200. There shouldn't be any difference at all. You'll see there, it's got a lot in common with R-Type. You know, you'll see there's various beasts walk along the bottom and shoot upwards, like that beetle thing down below. And you've got this big snail thing. Now it looks easy, but it does get hard very quickly. Like I said, I am cheating a wee bit here because I've got an auto fire, but this joystick I've got isn't the best when it comes to trying to hammer the fire button. But this is an absolute brilliant game. And funnily enough, I don't think it was ever converted to anything else other than the, well, it only ever came out in the Amiga, which is a strange one. Because like I said, it's a kind of manga based game, going by the intro, so you'd think it would have maybe been out in the PC Engine or one of the consoles, but apparently not. I mean, was the Amiga even that popular in other countries? I'm not too sure. It's even tough using the auto fire as well. You'll see there's little bugger. There's little caterpillar things stick their head out the sand and basically lob. I don't know what it is. Is it caterpillar poo or something? Is that a dung beetle throwing dung at you? I'm really not too sure. But to get anywhere in this game, you really need to pick up power-ups, something which I'm not doing very well. don't think you can destroy that thing, can you? Doesn't look like it. Now what does make it quite tricky is you'll see some of the baddies obviously against the foliage at the bottom. It can be a bit tricky to actually to sort of see them. So you need to be very, very... Ah, bugger! Very, very vigilant. Prepare for dung beetle. Dearie me, I mean that's me playing on easy mode. Let's go for no. That's me playing in easy mode with auto fire with the maximum number of lives. So you can tell. Now I think the reason there was a delay at the beginning was because I should have pressed the fire button for some strange reason. But the soundtrack to this game is brilliant as well, it really is. Damn it! You can see there, the more pickups you get, the bigger you sort of become. I think the greater your firepower becomes as well. You can get in, blast the snail. But it sounds like a right sort of a girly shoot 'em up. No disrespect to any girls out there, but it sounds like a really easy peasy shoot 'em up. But it's far from it. It's as tough as old boots. And I certainly don't get any better at it. But yeah, I wonder why. Ah, bloody hell. I must admit, I really struggle with horizontal shooters. Vertical shooters I'm not too bad at. I really do struggle. I'm actually wondering if I was to turn my TV on its side and rotate the joystick, I may do better. I don't think I can kill that thing at all. Yeah, I'm really not doing well here at all. Need to start picking up some power-ups. There's that little... okay, I've not even got the thing that throws things down below, so... There's that little sneaky little bloody caterpillar thing. Ah, bollocks, didn't even notice that. Not quite sure what happened there. Now I think when you die you lose all your power-ups, so it's a tough one, as you can see there. Waiting for time, right? Time for one more. Now I think you can actually pick, you'll see at the bottom there, you've got a choice of power-ups. Now I've got it set to auto, so it'll automatically power me up when I get certain things, but I think if you want to do it properly you're probably better leaving that, setting that to manual, so you can pick what power-ups you're going to go to. Now, I've played this game a fair bit in my time, and I don't believe I've ever got off the first level. Ah, right, I've got a wee pal helping me blast things. Ha! Bollocks! And you can see there, you lose all your power-ups. Whoa! Ah, I thought I'd missed that there. Now, I couldn't actually remember. Something was niggling me that I've already done a mash-up of this. But you know what? If I have, who cares? It's certainly worthy of another mash-up if I haven't already done one. Ah, bollocks. You can't crash into the ground. Right, listen guys, that's enough of that. This is what is this called? This is called Apidya. I don't even know the name of the company that actually made it. It's by an Audio's International presentation. Never heard of the company. But this is Apidya guys, and this is on the Commodore Amiga. Go check it out. Yeah, it's by Playbyte actually. I'm sure that's the company that made it. Go check it out guys, and as usual, thank you very much for watching.